Join me as I challenge myself to building a booming AI lead generation business for just $50. Let's see if I can pull it off. I've always been fascinated by the potential of AI in business, and I wanted to see if I could create a successful lead generation business on a shoestring budget. Businesses to start on a shoestring is the name of our channel. Many people struggle with lead generation, and traditional methods can be time consuming and expensive. I've tried my hand at various methods in the past, from cold calling to Facebook ads, but I've often found that they either don't work or cost way too much for the results that you get. So the problem with traditional lead generation methods is that they can be really labor intensive and may not always yield the best results. We've all been there, spending hours crafting the perfect ad or making countless cold calls only to be met with rejection or silence. It's demotivating and can be a huge waste of time. What's more, traditional methods often rely on interrupting people rather than providing value. And let's be real, who likes to be sold to? The other issue with traditional lead generation is it can be really expensive. Whether it's paying for ads or hiring a team to make calls, the cost can add up quickly. And if you're not careful, you can end up spending more money than you're making. Certainly, I've found that. That's not a sustainable business model. I've tried to find ways to make lead generation more efficient and cost effective, but it's not always easy. That's why I was excited to explore the potential of AI in lead generation. With AI, you can automate many of the tasks involved in lead generation, such as data collection and outreach. To create my AI lead generation business, I started by identifying a niche that I was interested in and that had potential for growth. I then used a tool called Lead IQ to collect leads and build a list of potential customers. Next, I used a platform called Conversica to automate my outreach efforts. I also used a chatbot builder called ManyChat to create a chatbot that could engage with leads and provide value. The key was to provide value to my leads rather than just trying to sell to them. I focused on building relationships and trust rather than making a hard sell. I also made sure to track my results and adjust my strategy as needed. By using AI tools, I was able to save time and increase my efficiency. As I looked at my metrics, I was thrilled to see that my business was starting to boom. I was generating a high volume of leads and converting them into customers at a rate that was much higher than I expected. My cost per lead was also much lower than I anticipated, which meant that I was able to keep my costs down and while still growing my business. The moment I realized my business was booming was when I saw that my chatbot had started to generate a significant number of leads on its own. I'd set up to provide value to my leads, and it was doing a great job of engaging with them and building trust. I was amazed at how well it was working. My results were impressive. I was able to generate a significant number of leads and convert them into customers at a low cost. I was thrilled to see that my AI lead generation business was not only working but also scalable. I realized that with the right tools and strategies, anyone can build a successful AI lead generation business on a budget. In summary, building a booming AI lead generation business on a budget is definitely possible. By using the right tools and strategies, you can automate many of the tasks involved in lead generation and provide value to your leads. If you're interested in learning more about my journey and how I did it, I'd love to hear about your experiences with lead generation in the comments. If you've struggled with lead generation in the past, I encourage you to comment below and share your experiences. And if you're looking for more tips on how to build a successful AI lead generation business, be sure to check out my next video for more insights. If you want to speak to me about anything you've heard or seen in this video or any of the others on my channel, you can contact me, that's Alan, on 07539 141 From outside the UK, it's +44 7539 141 or the landline 0333 224 From outside the UK, it's +44 333 224 You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop an email to alan@alpersgroup.com. Cheers for now.